On here, so I took this off. Here's the wand for it. Then we have a ram mount style right here. Okay, so what we're doing is we're taking this screw with a nut that I found in my bolt bin. We're gonna take it, install it through the hole like this from the inside. Do you see how it sits lower than the magnet inside the hole? Okay, and we got that. Now we're gonna mount our ball mount to it. Okay, when we're done with that, we're gonna take our screw to it. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what I come up with. Here's the magnet. Here's the little screw right here. Okay, that's kind of what I had sitting around. Here's this. This can move around, and I can just set this anywhere. Here's an example of that. Here we have a door. Boom, sitting on the door. Here we have a compressor. Boom, sitting on the compressor. We have our forklift. Boom, sitting on the forklift, no troubles. Boom, sitting on the forklift. Here we have this thing. Boom, sitting on it. Want to set it right here? Boom, I can set it right there. I can set it anywhere.